make sure that this year is my year, even though we had that hiccup in the beginning of the year. So,
and quick question, do you have much startup capital behind you?
yes,
How much you got?
650
All right.
plus a van.
Plus a van, yeah.
Yeah, so I've just bought a van this year on the way back up from South Island after the Spirit Bash, my grandfather, the next day I was all asleep all day, didn't want to do anything, and the next day my wife goes, come on darling, let's go, we're going to go South Island. I'm like, what, right now? She goes, yeah, right now. I was like, okay. Alright, I've got to sit there, I've got to get the boys in the car, they're already in the car, we're waiting for you. I was like, oh, I need a quick shower. Alright, can I have a shower? He's like, thank you. So,
Righto. Well,
we went up to, on the way back up, all the way from South Island, went through Palmerston North and bought that van, and I was like,
Yep.
sweet, we'll make it happen.
Righto. Well, look, you're going to probably have to put a bit of this capital into some coaching, but if you're serious, man, we can help you.
Yes.
Righto. Travel safe. Thank you. Here he is. Good to see you too. How was your seminar?
Yeah, I very much enjoyed it. Could you sign this, please?
Yes. I'm not sure if I have.
So my businesses are, I've got Get It Quick. So this is Get It Quick New Zealand. I'm importing products and stuff that aren't in New Zealand.
There you go, buddy.
Cool, thanks. Thank you. And yeah, as well as like postal codes and eccentric ebooks as well.
Yep.
But yeah, your words hold very much value. So
Righto. Well, look, the team, Bruce, will be in contact, and let's see if we can put our heads together in a couple of weeks.
Okay, mate.
Righto. You too. See ya. Hello, buddy. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. Let me just find that. So, what does this business do?
I'm a Spark in New Zealand, and I just opened a company like telecommunication, fiber, and strictly cabling and electrical as well.
Okay.
Yeah, like September last year.
Righto. So it's relatively fresh.
Quite new, yeah.
Yep. Awesome. Well, we'll be in contact. Enjoy the book, and thanks for coming.
Very much.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi, Bruce.
Now, you do, from memory, health coaching. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Good. Did you have fun tonight?
I did, thank you very much.
Great.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. The whole number of things still trying to, get over my head, but yeah.
Good.
Thoroughly.
Well, enjoy that, and we'll be in contact.
Thank you.
Righto. Thank you. Hi. How you going? I'm Bruce.
I'm Jamie.
Jamie?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
And
Anne, nice to meet you. What do you guys do?
massage.
Massage. Righto. How long have you been doing that for?
Around 2 years.
Okay. How's it going?
Yes, that's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Awesome. Well, enjoy the book, and thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
Okay, all the best. Bye. Hi, how you going?
Good, and you?
Good. Now, tell me about your business. This is you here?
Livia, yeah.
Livia, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Right, and is he here tonight as well?
Yeah, he's here.
Okay, very good. So tell me about this business. How many cleaners do you run?
We have around maybe 15 at the moment.
15, yep. Now, I'm not sure if I asked, do you do commercial, all commercial?
Yeah.
Well, I've done
The residential, it's not, a big part of the business.
Yeah.
But we have quite a few.
Yeah. And where do you want to take it?
We need to grow the business, just we feel that the competitors at the moment is all around, and if we don't, upskill,
Yep.
have a better understanding of the business, cash flow and stuff, it's the worst part of the thing.
Right. Yep. Well,
We have a construction cleaning business apart from that as well that we run
yeah.
since 2015, and then the last 2 years we start to focus on commercial because the management of construction jobs it's very tricky.
Yep.
But it's still
So what will be your turnover this year?
for the commercial cleaning it will be around 700K.
Yep. And the normal?
The construction, I think last year was 1.2, but we have better years.
Sure.
Few years ago.
So just to clarify, construction cleaning is 700?
No, commercial.
Commercial, righto. Righto, great. Did you enjoy tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good size.
Righto, well, One of our team will be calling you, so make sure you look out for that call. And there's only 17 slots, so if you do want that conversation, we'll do that. Where's Rod? Here he is. Hello. Good. Did you have fun?
Amazing, yeah.
Good. We've done lots of work with commercial cleaners, construction cleaning. Literally, one of our oldest clients is commercial cleaning. Took him from, I think when he started with me, he's probably doing about 100 net profit, and this year he'll do like 4 or 5 million net. Commercial properties, shares. So,
That's good.
right.
Is there any chance can we move? No, it's one.
Yeah, I just might be running low. Anyway, there you go.
Thank you.
Righto, there we go. Hi, how you going? I'm Bruce.
I'm Vaishnavi.
Righto, now what do you do? Yoga. Okay, how long have you been doing that for?
I'm new to the country.
Okay.
It's been 1.5 years.
Yes.
So I just started this to registered my company last month.
Yep.
I've got few clients here,
Okay.
but I don't know how to go ahead.
Sure. All right, well, look, thank you for coming. We'll be in contact. Thank you very much. All right, which way are you guys going? How are we doing?
I love that.
You had fun? Did you find your...
I've got more on the screen. Blue Ocean Group.
Here?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
they've already got their books.
Both of their books there.
Righto, there we go. Is that, how many? 1? 2? Oh, I can't do 7.
No, that's fine.
You can share them.
Yeah, that's
5's there. Very good. Did you have fun tonight?
yes.
Awesome. Great. Well, we'll be in contact. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. Bye.
Wait, can I give you this one? I think it's got a sticker on it. So that's our business name.
So what does it do?
So we do residential and commercial pickup and delivery service.
Okay.
Australia and full. But we found the blue ocean, bro. And in the next 5 years, the first thing that comes to your mind when someone thinks laundry is Wanda daycare. Mm-hmm. That's what we do.
Gotcha. Righto. And this is you, yeah?
Yeah, that's me. This is our team.
Okay, very good. Perfect. Well, safe travels home, you guys. All the best. Hello, mate. How you going?
Good, thank you. Sam.
Sam, have you found your form, Sam?
No, it's in the...
It won't be over here. You better backtrack.
These numbers, these are for...
Are you together?
No, sorry.
Right, I'll do yours then. Righto. So detailing, but we haven't kicked it off yet, yeah?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Side hustle.
Right, you got a job, do you?
Yeah.
Very good, buddy. Well, thank you for coming. Talk soon. Hello. All right. Now, what do you do, man?
I repair and restore shoes, sneakers, and I also do some artwork on shoes and sneakers.
How much do you turn over?
I turn over, well, I just started about
So that one.
3 days ago.
Excuse me. There you go. Start up. Righto, man. Well, we'll be in contact. Thank you very much. All the best. Thank you.
Hi, thank you
Hello.
for tonight.
You had fun?
Yeah, had fun.
All right. Now, tell me about this business.
It's a family-owned and operated construction business.
Uh-huh. How many, what turnover do you do?
Yeah, on our first year, we made a little over 450.
Mm-hmm. And last year?
That was last time.
So, okay, righto. And how many other people are in the family?
Four shareholders: me, my father, my brother, and my wife.
And are they open to coaching?
At the moment, I doubt that they would have time. That's why I was the one sent here. Yes.
Okay, righto. Enjoy the book, buddy, and we'll be in contact, okay?
Can I please get you to sign?
Sure. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hey.
So I forgot to put my
That's it. You found it eventually. Righto.
from the car.
Okay, there. That's committed. All right. So I remember this is so this is the street van, and now you food truck,
So
and
it's been there from past 6 months, and this is the first time we started a business, and we started with passion. And so far we have hit $75,000 sale in the month of 6 months, and we are eyeing around 150 in another 6 months. So this is the time we are planning to step up, and we are in search of looking for some good restaurants in the market right now.
Okay.
And we are negotiating a deal with Fear. Hopefully we will get a place.
Hey, well, thank you very much, girls. Really looking forward to hearing more about
Righto, done. Well, thank you very much. Enjoy the book, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Hello, buddy. How are you?
Good. Wonderful session. I really enjoyed it. And I just want to give a bit of heads up. My company is their IT solution company, but it's been there for 2018. Haven't made so much progress. Really, I feel like something is missing. Yeah.
Well, hopefully we can help you with that. Did you give a form to?
I gave
Yeah,
a form.
yeah. Righto. You've already got your books and everything.
Thanks
Great.
a lot.
Awesome. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee club.
Yeah.
How many have you got? Just one?
Yeah. We lost.
Just a.
Snippet. There you go.
You guys find anything? It's gone AWOL.
Righto, PJ. So how many people do you employ?
How many people I'm working with?
Yeah, yeah.
Staff, 7 to 8. 8 including me.
Yep. Very good. And how long have you had it?
A year, over a year, just over a year.
Yep. And what's it going to turn over? What did it turn?
More than $1 million. I
Yep.
guess.
And where is it based?
Just opposite to Sky Tower,
Right, so right here, CBD.
CBD.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you for coming, PJ. We'll be in contact. Okay. Expect the phone call. Hello, mate. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Welcome. Did you get a book yet or not yet?
No, dear.
There you go, my friend.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
Righto, buddy. Let's do it. You've been patient, so.
Great presentation, by the way.
Thank you. So what do you do, my friend?
I'm business performance analyst, data analyst.
Right.
It's like this. I have a question. I have a company that was registered 7 years ago. Every year I pay like that, like $50-something to keep registration on. Does such companies that never traded, never have any transactions, anything, does it have any value or something? No?
No.
I was thinking maybe someone will be interested like in a company with 7 years of existence, including history.
They'd only buy like the entity, whatever the entity's worth. So, yep. Well, can I just leave those?
Yeah, I'm just completely fine.
If I don't plan to use the company, it's just...
Yeah, it's not worth much, so.
Okay,
Cool, thank you. Hi guys, how you going? Nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. You got your book and you've handed your pink thing. Yeah, sure.
So when Bruce was telling people about like your
There you go. Perfect. Thank you very much.
G'day again.
He's back.
Sorry, just wanted to see if I can get a signature, please.
There you go.
It's not too much to ask. Is it alright if I get a photo, please?
Sure, where do you want it?
I want to show my kids who made me rich.
Righto, come over here.
Come with a nice young lady, intelligent, yes, she juggling Ari. If a way me go, me never left for a tally.
Righto, there you go. Is that in the back?
Yes, please.
Is it?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good stuff, guys. All the best, hey?
Thank you.
Talk soon. Sure.
Thank you. Hold our book forward. Oh,
But yeah,
where's that book? Bring that book forward, eh?
Good stuff, guys. Thank you very much. Safe travels. Sorry, you've been standing there patiently.
That's all right.
Good to see you. I'm Bruce.
Divya.
Divya?
My name is Dimesh.
Dimesh, nice to meet you. So what do you guys do?
Here, we're from South Africa. It's been a year. She's been here for 4 years. So she's my cousin.
Okay.
Here we started a cleaning company.
Mhm.
So we have one client so far. But
Yep.
We're trying to grow it. It's commercial cleaning.
How many team have you got?
It's only the two of us because we don't have a team right now. We don't have that much of clients to run around with.
Right.
Yes, but our question is more related to what we have in South Africa. So we have student accommodation there.
Okay.
So it's quite a big business there where you do business with the university. The university pays you directly and you run an accommodation for them.
Yes.
So what our issue is that we have somebody as a partner, but they're not putting in cash, but we don't know how to say that because they will be pulling out from the profits, but they're not putting in cash as an investment right now to fix whatever's damaged or to renovate.
So what's the sharehold between the two?
33 everyone.
So 33, 33, 33. So you outweigh them. You could buy them out.
Yeah, but it's family also.
That's where I have to do most of my coaching with family businesses. So
we don't have a contract in place at first, and nothing was like discussed how it's going to operate.
I know. They never do. So you need a referee.
Oh, so we need somebody externally?
Yep. Who can walk in and just start asking questions, and so we do this heaps of the time.
Okay. Yeah, because it's not very massive, but it's in South Africa, and I'm here.
Yep.
And the other person is there, so
Sure.
we just don't know, how it would run.
You need a referee.
No. I think we'll look into that then to see how we can play.
Did you put in a pink form?
Yes, we did.
Right.
But it's under Dustbusters.
Yeah, Dustbusters. That's what we have here.
Yeah.
Righto.
Commercial brand.
Righto. Well, did you give it to Sam?
I don't know his name yet.
Sam. Yep. All right. Well, I'll have a chat to him.
No, not a problem.
Okay. Thank you very much. Safe travels. Thank you. Hi. How you going? I'm Bruce.
Maria,
Maria. Nice to meet you.
likewise.
What do you do, Maria?
Same thing like what you do.
Ah,
Marketing.
there we go. Very good.
And what you've been discussing today, that's what I do. I create visual content for Google.
Okay. Very good. How long have you been doing that for?
Less than a year.
Uh-huh.
And at this moment, I've been working on the numbers.
Mhm.
Of today, it's turned over 2 million views.
Okay.
For the businesses I created. So, you know, the picture speaks louder than anything.
Mhm.
This is my Google account. And this is the videos I make.
Got it.
And on the card, which I supply on another site, you can scan it and you get straight away to my Google account.
Got it.
So I create advertising for all different, for example, this was just my recent one 3 days ago, with
Got it.
72 views.
Yeah. Wow.
So when you go on, I did for you also, I'm going to make it for you. I took some footage.
Okay. There you go. Thank
So
you.
when you go over here, you straight away see my video content.
Mhm.
Then on top of it, you go here and you see on the top. So basically, it's if you look at this business, it's a shoe business, none of them having any visual. I create visual for the business. I have to buy product, service, use it, and then I speak as a customer.
Sure.
This. But I create video, and then I charge them later for my editing work.
Okay.
But you need to be qualified to review them, to use the service.
Sure,
So
sure.
I do. So every business was here, and I've done a lot. So I get like level 7 on the Google. Means when I'm putting right now something, it's on the top 10% of
Right.
viewing, and they are creating a huge publicity on brand awareness.
Okay.
I did ad of my own. I create basically all advertising. It's my advertising company.
Okay.
I haven't charged a dime,
Why not?
which I only grow the number at this moment, and then I'm going to turn back to all these customers.
Okay.
And ask them to create a review for me of how it was helpful to them.
Okay.
So it's, I like to collaborate with you.
Well,
and